What's up guys, and welcome to my new tutorial. Today I want to show you how to fix Wi-Fi issues after flashing a custom ROM on Samsung devices. As you can see here, I have the Samsung Galaxy S4 and I recently flashed the Omega ROM. And if I now want to activate Wi-Fi, I can tap the Wi-Fi button as often as I want to, it will just not work. And today I want to show you how to fix this. You will just need your Samsung phone, a USB cable to connect it to your computer, and a computer with internet connection. And now let's get started and resolve this issue. Okay guys, we're now on the computer, and basically there are two ways to fix your Wi-Fi issues. The first thing you should definitely try first is reflashing your modem file. As you can see here, there's a special modem file which is a Wi-Fi fix modem file. The download link for this for the S4 is in the description, and I will also try to provide it for other Samsung devices. But you have to watch out because you have to take the correct modem file for your smartphone. So don't try flashing the modem file from the S3 to the S4 or something. This will just not work and it will break your smartphone. So be sure to take the correct modem file. But there's also another way to fix up your Wi-Fi issues if the modem file doesn't work for you. You can try flashing a custom kernel to your smartphone. I have here the Fox123 kernel for the Galaxy S4, which also should fix up the Wi-Fi issues. And it also has some other features included, like overclocking and some other mods, and this is really cool. So this is the second way you should try after flashing the modem file if that doesn't work for you. And let's get started and reflash our modem file. And now I want to show you the first step, which is reflashing your modem file. Okay, now you should have downloaded the correct modem file for your smartphone or the modem Wi-Fi fix file, and you also need the Odin flashing tool. And now you have to put your phone into downloading mode, and now I'll show you how to get your phone into downloading mode. Okay, to enter downloading mode you have to power off your phone completely, so if it's on, power it off and wait for it to shut down. Okay, so here we go, just wait until it's completely off. Okay, so now you have to do a 3-button combo. You have to press the volume down button, the power button and the home button at once and keep it pressed until you can see downloading mode. Just press all the 3 buttons and keep them pressed. So now you should see this warning sign with a custom OS can cause critical problems and some other things. And now just press the volume up button to continue and get to downloading mode. Just press the volume up button now. And now your phone should be in downloading mode, and now we can go to the computer and proceed with the flashing process. Okay guys, we're now back on the computer, and the first thing we have to do is extract our modem file from the downloaded zip file. To do this, if you have WinRAR, just do a right click on the zip file and go to extract here. If you use any other unzipping program, just double click it and extract it. I will extract this here now. So now you should get this file here, which is a tar.md5 file. If you have this, then you can open up the flashing tool. So go into the Odin folder, do a right click on the odin.exe file and go to run as administrator if you're using Vista, Windows 7 or Windows 8. Now run the flashing tool. Okay, so here it is. Now you should see here under ID, any ID and your COM port. If you don't see this, make sure that your device is plugged in, make sure that it is in downloading mode, and if that does not work, try another USB port and restart the flashing tool. Okay, when you can see your device here in this blue bar, then you have done everything right and you can proceed with the flashing process. Now you have to make sure that nothing here is ticked except auto reboots and reset time. And now you just have to press at phone. Here on phone, just press it and now browse for the tar.md5 file and press open. And now just hit the start button to start the flashing process. Okay, so this flashing process can take up to 3 minutes. Just be patient and wait for it to finish. Don't disconnect the device until you can see pass. And when you can see pass, you can exit the Odin flashing tool and disconnect your device from the computer. So if that does not resolve your Wi-Fi issues, you should definitely try reflashing your modem file once again, and if that also does not resolve your Wi-Fi issues, proceed with the next step shown in the video. So if the modem file Wi-Fi fix didn't resolve your Wi-Fi issues, you should definitely try out flashing a custom kernel to your smartphone. Here I have the Fox123 custom kernel for the Galaxy S4 i9505. I will also try to provide several custom kernel links in the description for all Galaxy S4 models and some other smartphones. And now I want to show you what you have to do in order to flash this custom kernel here. you just have to mark it and copy it. So just do a right click on it and copy it. And now connect your phone to your computer as media device. So let me do this quick now. Okay, so now it should be connected. Now let's open up the computer. Here you should have your smartphone. Now go into the root of your smartphone and just paste the kernel in here. And now you can disconnect your smartphone and the rest of the installation process will take place on our smartphone. Okay, so on your smartphone you have to enter the recovery. You can do this by turning it off and then do the 3-button combo, which is pressing the volume up key, the power button and the home button at once. Keep them pressed until you can see the boot screen and then release them. So now release them and now it should say booting up recovery. And your recovery must also be able to flash zip files, but I'm pretty sure that everyone who has flashed a custom ROM has also a recovery which is able to flash zip files. Okay, now just wait to finish up the booting of the recovery. Okay guys, we're now in the CWM recovery menu and you can navigate through the menu using the volume up and volume down key. As you can see, down is down, up is up. And if you want to enter any option, you just have to press the power button, which means accept. And now the first thing you should do is wipe cache partition. So just go to wipe cache partition and then approve with yes, wipe cache. This just takes a few seconds. And then you go to advanced and to wipe Dalvik cache and just approve with yes, wipe Dalvik cache. And now you go back and then you should search install zip from SD card. It's just here on the top. Okay, here we go, install zip from SD card, and now we go to choose zip from SD card. And now just browse for the custom kernel zip file and press the power button to accept. Okay, so here you just go to yes, install the kernel and approve with the power button. Okay, now it should install the kernel. This should just take a few seconds and then you can go back and reboot your phone and then your phone should reboot into Android. So the first booting process can take a little bit longer. It will just take a few minutes. Just be patient and wait for it to boot up Android. Okay, as you can see, it's booting now. Here's the Omega ROM boot animation. And now you should get Android is upgrading, so it's optimizing the apps, and this can take up to 5 minutes. Just wait for it to complete. Okay, so it has now booted into Android, and now let's try if Wi-Fi is working. And as you can see, Wi-Fi is already enabled and I can tap it and it really works. Let's see if also connecting works. So let's go to settings and try to connect to my home network. Here you can also see on the bottom it says something about the minimum and maximum frequency of the CPU. So this custom kernel has also overclocking enabled, which is really awesome. And as you can see, it also finds all my networks here and I can easily connect, just press connect, and now I'm connected to my home network. Okay guys, so that was my tutorial on how to fix Wi-Fi issues after flashing a custom ROM. I hope that really helps you, and if you have any questions, just feel free to ask and leave here a comment under this video. I will try to reply as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and as always, see you again in my next videos. Bye.